You are welcome to our channel. Don't forget to like, to share, and to subscribe. Lagos Assembly crisis. Obasa presides over plenary with four lawmakers. The crisis rocking the Lagos State House of Assembly took a dangerous twist on Thursday. The development followed the resumption of the impeached Speaker, Mudashiru Obasa, who, with the aid of security operatives, broke the locks of the Speaker's office and chambers. Daily Post reports that Obasa presided over a plenary session with only four lawmakers in attendance. The four lawmakers are Ayinde Akinsanya, Mushin Constituency 1, Noheem Adams, Etiosa Constituency 2, and Abdul Karim Ayodeji Agege 2. However, 36 lawmakers boycotted the session in what appeared to be a show of support for the substantive Speaker, Mojisola Meranda. The lawmakers gathered at the Assembly's garden and reaffirmed their vote of confidence in Miranda. Well, the intrigues in the Lagos State House of Assembly is still going on because of the tussle between who will be the speaker. Remembering that the erstwhile impeached speaker was in America, that is Mudashiru Obasa, when he was impeached, and then his deputy Miranda Mojisola was appointed to be the new speaker. But then, while Obasa returned to the country, he went to court to contest his, impeachment. And as a result of the fact that probably he was saying he did not follow due process, he wasn't served any notice before he was impeached, and they impeached him while he was away. To him, it was like a coup that was planned against him, even though they had an allegation of gross misconduct and financial impropriety leveled against him. But then also, there are also some also moves apart from going through the court that are going on the ground. Political moves going through the Governance Advisory Council that they normally use in Lagos State, trying to also drag in the president who happened to be the leader of the party in Nigeria as a whole, and also trying to bring in so many intrigues. And also the third thing is the use of the sentiment of regional power balancing in Lagos, that the governor happens to be from Lagos Central, and then the deputy from Lagos East, then the speaker is from Lagos, supposed to be from Lagos West. But now that he has been impeached, the supposed Lagos West slot is vacant, and the new speaker, unfortunately, is from Lagos Central. The governor is from Lagos Central, and nobody is from Lagos West to balance the sharing of power formula that they have in Lagos State. As a result of that, there are intrigues that the new speaker had to step down, or the governor had to step down, so that somebody from Lagos can also be at the ends of affair. That is having shared in the rotational system of doing power in Lagos State. But as it were now, with the situation going on, has to deal with the fact that Miranda, who happened to be the new speaker, might probably step down. Though she may step down as speaker, she still remains a member of the House of Assembly. Even though Obasa too has been impeached in court now, he's still a member on the floor of the House of Assembly of Lagos State. But in the case of the governor, if the governor decides to resign and step down, he's going to his own house. And I think the right thing is that for Miranda to step down. That is what we are looking at and thinking is unfolding in days to come. But then, while those ones are going on, Obasa approached the court. I wouldn't know whether it is the court that gave him that effrontery or the courage or the injunction to go and then preside over a plenary. And from the report we are getting, he had to break in into the speaker's office, knowing fully well that another person has taken over the office. Probably they've changed the lock and key from the one he has. And what he was saying is there wasn't any impeachment as far as the law is concerned since he didn't go through the due process, and he has also approached the court of law, and then the court of law is going to be the one that will now determine whether authentically he has been impeached or not. So he has to go now and then presided over plenary. He and three other lawmakers, making four of them out of a particular house of 40 members. About 36 of them did not come to the plenary. Only three stayed with him. With himself, they are four, showing their solidarity and doing the normal daily activity. But then, as far as the other 36 are concerned, they say they are standing with Miranda, and they decided to go to the assembly garden to gather and show their solidarity. But with the sharing formula matter coming up, even though they still show their support for Miranda, there is a general, clarity that Miranda is going. And then another person entirely that might be neutral, maybe not Obasa now, will have to emerge as the speaker. That is the new plan I think they have in the pipeline in Lagos State. But then as the event begin to unfold, we'll begin to see what is going to be the outcome of what is going on. So because we've been hearing from different sources, hear this one today, hear that one again. Now Miranda has resigned, and she has decided to resign, but on a particular condition. But while they were saying that they went to the president, who happened to have said the rotational balance of power they must be adhered strictly to, and then also probably another person from Lagos West will have to emerge as speaker. That it may not necessarily be Obasana. How true all these are, we don't know yet until the whole thing unfolds. Until the whole thing unfold, we won't be able to say that, oh, it is Obasa that will be there or not. Until we see the new person emerging and coming in as a speaker. I think until then, the tension in the Lagos State House of Assembly will continue and the dust will continue to rise. But then we are hoping and believing that as the president has intervened, they will be able to have a lasting solution to the situation. I think in few days' time they should be able to resolve the matter. But then Obasa, who has gone to court, might prolong the issue. That is the one in court anyway. But for politicians, they may decide to even ask him to go and withdraw the case from court and also step down completely, knowing fully well by the reason of what Nigerian politics is, the party is supreme. And also, if you live to fight today, you will have to live to fight another day if you fight and run. And then at the end of it all, what is important is not the position of speaker, it is the people of Lagos State. The people to enjoy the dividends of democracy. The reason why these lawmakers were voted for and sent to the House should be achieved. They should leave personal sentiment and personal ambition and let the general ambition of Lagos State overshadow all those ones. And that's what can make the state to continue to go forward. Don't forget to like, make sure you subscribe. Thank you.